There are three cable types here. First is the USB. This is what you use to provide power for the lights on the headphones. Then we have the microphone port and the audio port. So let's go ahead and plug these in. So first we're going to plug in the USB. That's going to provide light for the headphones. Now my computer only has one audio port. So to solve this issue, this headphones comes with this adapter included. So you can combine the microphone and the audio into one cable. Now I can simply plug this into my computer and we'll get both sound and microphone. Now we can put this on. So there's these adjustable parts here. You can pull or push to change the size of the headphones to the size of your head. If you're not getting any sound, there's a couple things you can check. First, make sure all your cables are plugged in all the way. Sometimes if you're not careful, you might not be able to plug it in all the way. Make sure you hear that click, also here. Make sure you hear that click, that it's fully plugged in. And then number two, if you're still not getting any sound, you can go into your computer's sound settings and change the settings of the headphones. Make sure they're set as the input and output device. If you're not getting sound, make sure that you use the volume adjustment on the back here and make sure it's not set all the way down. You can turn it up or down to adjust the sound and volume of the headphones. If you're still having problems, message us directly on TikTok at Celectigo and we'll answer all your questions.